Hey, Dustin. Remember that time we looked at opening up that business where all we do is fire people?
Maybe not the best idea we have in 5 years.
Yeah, but we would have had a good time doing it, right?
Oh, absolutely. I think I ran across the old advertisement recently.
Oh yeah, that old VHS that we made?
Oh yeah. We can take a look if you want.
Think we should?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Come on, move it on. Let's say it, baby. I know you're on a roll.
Paul Simon, nice to meet you. Do you hate confrontation?
Are you scared of your employees?
Do you not enjoy firing Fridays?
Do you need extra cubicle space? Then call Simon Paschal PLC. We are your premier firing company in Dallas-Fort Worth.
You know, these guys are great. They make firing people fun again.
They wouldn't call us the hitmen of firing for no reason. You're fired. You're good. You're out. You're good. You're good. No, just kidding. You're out. We guarantee your former employees will be out the door in no time. You're fired.
I was fired 3 months ago by Simon Paschal. And you know what? They were right. It was time to move on. Honestly, I've never been happier. Thank you, Simon Paschal. I met my wife at my new job.
We are so discreet, your employees won't even see it coming. You're fired. And it doesn't end there. Call in the next 5 minutes and we can help with your personal life too. Got a nana? Got a girlfriend? Got someone else you want us to get rid of? We can help.
Call Simon Paschal today!
And I'm sure glad we didn't go that route. We would have looked awful.
Yeah, it's a good thing we decided to stay true to ourselves. It seems to be working for us. How about that sexual harassment training video we did next?
I think we skipped that one.
Linda, you are doing a fine job here.
Oh, well, thank you, Steve.
But you know, you might try dressing a little sexier at work.
Come on.
Sure, let's do it. Let's do it.
I know you're on a roll.
Fucking that's good, man. Come back, come back. I'm not even sure why I'm doing this.
Rolling. Audio track 8-4.
Wasn't even close. You looked at me and that thing was on your cheek. Swatched the mic out of this.
You're fired. Got a nana? A girlfriend? Someone else you want to get rid of? We can help with you.
You took a break! I thought you were opening!
Look in the lens.
So call Simon Paschal now.
Oh my god. Do that again.
Oh yeah, let's do that again.